chosen. I keep telling you, we are at war on a spiritual realm. If you haven't tapped into your abilities and your gift at this day and age, you might not be chosen. Every chosen person right now on this planet is activated. You know what you're here to do. But you have to contribute to the community, to the masses. Your gift is to be spread awareness to the masses. You have to step out of your shell. Right now ain't no time to be feeling shy or I don't want everybody to see this side of me. This ain't no time for that. Right now is the time where you need to put your powers to use, because we are on an ascension. You feel that energy, you feel that shift every day. You see these lost souls and you see these demonic entities and these demons that's monitoring these vessels. You've seen it, you've experienced it already. Right now ain't no time for you to be quiet and I'm scared. I don't want everybody to see how you ain't no time for that. Being shy. If you really out here and you know what you're supposed to be doing, you activate it. Ain't no time for it. You can't run from it. No matter how much you've been trying to run from it, how much you're trying to act like it's not there, you're gonna keep getting drained. You're gonna keep feeling that feeling. You're gonna keep, demons are gonna keep coming to you. It's gonna shatter you. It is your destiny to do this. And why everybody can want to run around and think you crazy, or think I'm crazy, or think everybody, let them. Let them. And when they stuck down here on this 3D level and still wandering and lost souls and looking crazy while you on a whole nother level shining in the cosmos, going on different spiritual realms, goddamn it, using telepathy with other beings, you gonna get a chance to do that. You already experiencing that right now, receiving these downloads from the sun.
I want y'all to understand something. What he said is just all facts, no cap, man. If you ain't got your spiritual gifts at this point, I do feel like it's highly unlikely that you gonna tap in. And for those of you who do have your spiritual gifts and you know that you was chosen for this and you afraid to get on the forefront, you most definitely doing your ancestors a disservice, okay? The reason that you were chosen is for the time that we are in right now, for you to step forward and for you to make it known, okay? For you to be on the front line of this war and to wake up the 144,000 that are sleeping and need to hear a voice, okay? So to all the 144,000, man, if you one of the 144,000, drop it in the comment section, man. Drop I am 144,000, man, and I'm gonna need y'all to get to work, all right? With that being said, man, y'all let me know what y'all think about this in the comment section below. Also, make sure you get over to YouTube. Follow me on YouTube at I Am Awakened. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at I Am Awakened _Starseed. And I just want to leave you guys as I came. I want you guys to always be aware, because to be aware is to be alive. And as always, peace, family. Peace meaning positive energy always creates elevation. Ashe, ashe, ashe.